The neuroscience of pain, your body's alarm system. Imagine you're walking barefoot through a sun-dappled forest. Soft moss cushions your steps, and the earthy scent of pine fills the air. Suddenly, a sharp twig pierces your soul. In a heartbeat, your serene stroll transforms into a complex neurological symphony. This is the fascinating world of pain, neuroscience in action. The nociceptive overture when neurons cry out. Let's zoom in on that moment when the twig meets your foot. At the microscopic level, specialized sensory neurons called nociceptors spring to life. These cellular sentinels are your body's first line of defense, ever vigilant for potential threats. Nociceptors are like the world's pickiest food critics. They only respond to stimuli that could be harmful, whether it's extreme temperatures, intense pressure, chemical irritants. These neurons have a very specific menu of dislikes. When stimulated, they transform physical events into electrical signals, a process neuroscientists call transduction. Think of each nociceptor as a tiny, specialized radio station. When activated, it starts broadcasting on a frequency that screams, danger, danger. This signal races along your peripheral nerves, a vast network that would stretch for miles if unraveled. The spinal cord, grand central station of pain. As the danger signals As the danger signal speeds along your nerves, it reaches a crucial waypoint to your spinal cord. Your spinal cord is far from being a simple conduit. The spinal cord is more like a bustling train station filled with complex switching mechanisms and gate controls. In the dorsal horn of your spinal cord, the incoming pain signal encounters its first potential roadblock. Here, inhibitory interneurons can act like overzealous station guards, potentially blocking the signal's journey to the brain. This process, known as gate control theory, helps explain why rubbing a bumped elbow can temporarily ease the pain. You're essentially distracting those gatekeeping neurons. But let's say our twig-induced pain signal makes it past these gates. It's now on an express train to the brain, where the real magic happens. The brain's pain orchestra. As the pain signal reaches your brain, it doesn't arrive at a single pain center. Instead, it triggers a complex neural network that neuroscientists call the pain matrix or neuromatrix. This network involves multiple brain regions, each playing its part in the intricate symphony of pain perception. The thalamus acts as a relay station, directing the incoming signals to various parts of the cortex. The somatosensory cortex pinpoints where the pain is coming from. Ouch, it's my left foot. The insula and anterior cingulate cortex add emotional color to the experience, painting it with shades of unpleasantness. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex, your brain's CEO, evaluates the situation. How serious is this? What should I do about it? It draws on your memories, beliefs, and current circumstances to make sense of the pain. This is why the same stimulus might feel different depending on your state of mind or the context that you are in. Neuroplasticity. One of the most fascinating aspects of pain neuroscience is neuroplasticity, your nervous system's ability to change and adapt. It's like your brain is constantly rewiring itself and rewriting its own user manual, updating how it processes and responds to sensory input. In acute pain, this plasticity is generally helpful. Your nervous system becomes temporarily more sensitive, helping you protect the injured area while it heals. It's like your brain turning up the volume on its danger detection system for a while. However, in chronic pain conditions, the same neuroplasticity can lead to problems. The pain system can get stuck on high alert, like a fire alarm that keeps blaring long after the fire's been put out. This phenomenon, known as central sensitization, is a key factor in many chronic pain conditions. The neurochemistry of pain. At the molecular level, pain perception involves a complex dance of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators. Substance P and glutamate often take center stage, promoting pain transmission. On the flip side, endogenous opioids like endorphins and enkephalins play the role of natural painkillers. This biochemical ballet is the target of many pain medications. Opioid drugs, for instance, work by mimicking your body's natural pain-relieving compounds. NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, target the production of prostaglandins, molecules that make nociceptors more sensitive. The descending pain modulatory system. One of the most exciting areas of pain neuroscience is the study of descending pain modulation. This system acts like a dimmer switch for pain, controlled by your brain. It involves areas like the periaqueductal gray and the rostroventromedial medulla, which can dial pain signals up or down. This system helps explain some remarkable pain phenomena. For instance, how soldiers can continue fighting despite severe injuries, or how athletes can push through pain during competitions. In these cases, the brain is actively dampening pain signals, prioritizing other needs over pain perception. Cognitive modulation of pain, the power of the mind. Perhaps the most awe-inspiring aspect of pain neuroscience is the degree to which our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can shape our pain experience. The placebo effect, where an inert treatment reduces pain simply because you believe it will, is a powerful demonstration of this. Neuroimaging studies have shown that positive expectations can activate the brain's own pain-killing system. Conversely, anxiety and catastrophizing about pain can amplify pain processing in the brain. This is why psychological interventions like cognitive behavioral therapy can be effective in managing chronic pain. The future of pain neuroscience. As we conclude our neuroscientific exploration of pain, let's return to our forest walk. Armed with this knowledge, you might now see that momentary foot prick as the beginning of an incredible neural journey. From the first cry of your nociceptors to the complex cognitive evaluation in your prefrontal cortex, your nervous system has performed an elaborate dance in mere seconds. Understanding the neuroscience of pain opens up new avenues for pain management and treatment. From targeted medications that modulate specific aspects of pain processing to brain training techniques that harness neuroplasticity, the future of pain treatment is bright with possibility. So the next time you experience pain, take a moment to marvel at the incredible complexity of your nervous system. It's not just a sensation, it's a window into the remarkable, adaptable, and still mysterious landscape of your brain and its body. Of your brain and body. In pain, as in so much of neuroscience, we are only beginning to unravel the intricate story written in our neurons. Each discovery brings us closer to better understanding and managing pain, one synapse at a time.